Would be a theoretical video on S3 encryption and AWS Snow family. So in S3 encryption, there is server-side encryption default. Server encrypts the file after receiving it, and client-side encryption, user encrypts the file before uploading. Then shared responsibility for S3, AWS infrastructure, global security, durability, availability, sustained concurrent loss of data into facilities, configuration and vulnerability analysis, compliance, validation. And from users perspective, S3 versioning, S3 bucket policy, S3 replication status setup, logging and monitoring, S3 storage classes, data encryption at rest and in transit. AWS Snow family, highly secureable portable devices to collect and process data at the edge and migrate data into and out of AWS. Data migration, Snowcone, Snowball Edge and Snow Mobile edge computing, Snowcone and Snowball Edge. Data migration with AWS Snow family, challenges, limited connectivity and bandwidth. High network cost, shared bandwidth can't maximize the line. AWS Snow family offline devices to perform data migration. If it takes more than a week to transfer over the network, use Snowball devices, direct upload to S3 via network. But in case of Snow family, AWS gives you a Snowball and you have to put in your data in it locally, and it give it back to AWS, which will export it to S3. Snowball Edge for data transfer, physical data transport solution, move TBs or PBs of data in and out of AWS, alternative to moving data over the network and paying network fees. Pay per data transfer job, provide block storage and Amazon S3 compatible object storage. Snowball Edge storage, optimize 80 TB of HDD capacity for block volume and S3 compatible object storage. Snowball Edge compute, optimize 42 TB of HDD capacity for block volume and S3 compatible object storage. Use cases, large data, cloud migration, DC decommission, disaster recovery. AWS Snowball and Snowcone, SSD, small portable computing anywhere, rugged and secure, withstand harsh environment light. 4.5 pounds, 2.1 kg devices used for edge computing, storage and data transfer. Snowcone 8 TB of HDD storage. Snowcone SSD for 10 TB of SSD storage. Use Snowcone where Snowball does not fit space constrained environment. Must provide your own battery. Cables can be sent back to AWS offline or connected to internet, and use AWS data sync to send data. AWS Snow Mobile uses an actual truck transfer extra bits of data. Each Snow Mobile has 100 PB of capacity. Use multiple in parallel. High security, temperatures control, GPS 24/7, video surveillance, better than Snowball if you transfer more than 10 PB. Snow family usage process request Snowball devices from the AWS console for delivery. Install the Snowball client AWS Ops Hub on your server. Connect the Snowball to your server and copy files using the client. Ship back the device when you are done. Goes to the right AWS facility. Data will be loaded into an S3 bucket. Snowball is completely wiped. Edge computing, process data while it's been created on an edge location like a truck on the road, ship on the sea, mining station underground. This location may have limited no internet access and no easy access to computing power. We set up a Snowball edge Snowcone device to an edge to do edge computing. Use cases of edge computing: pre-process data, machine learning at the edge, transcoding media stream. We can ship back the device to AWS for transferring data. Snow family edge computing, Snowcone and Snowcone SSD, smaller, 2 CPUs, 4 GB of memory, wired or wireless access, USB-C power using a cord or the optional battery. Snowball edge or compute, optimized 52 CPUs, 208 gigabytes of RAM, optional GPU useful for video processing or machine learning, 42 TB usable storage. Snowball edge storage optimized up to 40 CPUs, 80 GB of RAM, object storage clustering available. All can run EC2 instance and AWS Lambda function using AWS IoT Greengrass. Long-term deployment option, 1 and 3 years discounted pricing. AWS Ops Hub. Historically, to use Snow family devices, you needed a CLI. Today, you can use AWS Observe a software you install on your computer laptop to manage your Snow family device, unlocking and configuring single or cluster devices, transferring file, launching and managing instances running on Snow family devices, monitor device metric, storage capacity, active instances on your device, launch compatible AWS services on your device. Example: AWS EC2 instance, AWS data sync network file system. And here is a diagram for AWS Snow family for data migration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.